To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Oh, hi! I am so glad you're back, Detective. I was just thinking about the wind. Last night at my house, the wind was blowing so strong and it was making some loud noises. Have you ever heard the wind blowing at your house? You have? Are you scared of it? Really? That is an interesting story. Now, today we have a really fun adventure to go on. But to do it, we're going to pretend like we're blowing in the wind and we're going to blow all the way into our story to where Mr. Sound Monster will give us a clue. Are you ready? Okay, blowing in the wind. I'm blowing in the wind. Oh, I think we're almost there. Okay. Where's Sound Monster? I don't see him. Where is he? I'm up here. I'm stuck in the tree. Oh, let me help you, Sound Monster. Oh, I got him out of the tree. Was that wind a little too hard? It was. Sound Monster is a little speechless. Are you okay? Yeah, I think I'm okay. Okay, so today's story, it's about the wind. And it's about a walrus. And he is crashing in the waves. And he says that the only way we're going to get the letter back is if every time we hear the W sound, we make a W with our fingers. So we use our 3 fingers and we wave them down like the wind. All right, I think we can do that. Let's get started. All right, do you remember your job? You have to make a W with your fingers like this. And you bring them down every time you hear the W sound. Ready? Willie the walrus went water skiing wearing a wig. The wind was blowing, creating wild waves that made him wobble. The waves washed over him and he lost his wig. That is so silly. All right, let's see here. I found the pesky wind that made that walrus crash. All right, let's see what letter he has. That's the letter W. The name of this letter is W. Can you say W? W. What's its name? W. It says W. Can you say W? W. Ooh, what are my lips doing? W. Do yours come together too? Like you're puckering up for a kiss. W. W. Ooh, let's see. What is my tongue doing? W. W. It's touching the bottom of my mouth and it stays behind my bottom teeth. W. W. It almost makes 2 sounds a little bit. It almost has an sound. W. W. My mouth kind of opens at the end. W. W. What's my voice box doing? W. It's vibrating. I wonder if this one can go on forever. W. 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 It can't go on forever. It has to stop. W. 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 Let's do my action. So my action, W, wind, W. Do it with me. W, wind, W. Let's try it by ourselves. Let's do it together. W, wind, W.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S. P, pig, N, nut, I, itch, I. C, cat, fence. D, dog, d, d, d. H, hat, h, h, h. O, octopus, ah, ah, ah. R, rat, er. B, bat, b, b, b. L, lamp, ol. K, kite, k, k, k. E, ed, e. G, game, g, g, g. W, wind, w, w, w.
Let's look at our letters. Now these look very similar, but remember our bigger letter is the uppercase letter. This is uppercase W. What's this letter? Uppercase W. What's this letter? Lowercase w. What's this letter? Lowercase w. Can you help me sort my letters? Uppercase W, W. 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 Lowercase 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 w, W. Do you guys remember my writing song? You do? Can you help me sing it? All right, let's go. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We are going to practice uppercase W and lowercase w. Uppercase W is going to start at the top. He's going to start at the skyline. We're going to go down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the skyline. Wow, let's do uppercase W one more time. We're going to start at the skyline, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the skyline. Way to go. Let's do lowercase w. Now lowercase w is like uppercase W, but if I was to cut off the top. So we're going to start at the mountain line. Start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line. Let's do it one more time. Start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line. You've got it. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds. Can you say win? Tap the sounds. Did you say w-in? Say wet. Tap the sounds. Did you say w-et? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. W-i-m. Did you say whim? W-i-p. Did you say whip? You have learned about the letter W. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter W. If you finish that page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to move on, you can color in the letter W on your map.
To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.